A company has been undressed of NHS contracts following hundreds of tons of clinic waste management of hospitals was permitted to heap up at its sites. Public Health Secretary Stephen Barclay told new institutional arrangement include been done to substitute the facility by Health Ecological Services, HES. He says though it did as well gather several flesh components, the anatomic waste management was properly saved as per guidance. It remote waste management of a quantity of hospitals in England and Scotland. The environmental agent at first groaned the alarm signal on the issue at the end of July, by the government told. By the government says down there was completely no hazard delivered to the public health of patients or the broad social. In a declaration to Parliament, Mr. Barclay told NHS Enhancement signed how he's unsuccessful to show how they were operational during their contractual framework. Therefore, 15 NHS trusts serviced completion notices to HES officially to cease their contracts at 4 p.m. on Saturday, he told. New institutional arrangement include been done in MIDI to move in and substitute the facility and NHS services go on to work as regular, Mr. Barclay said. MPs Mr. Barclay told the initial anxiety was how to lot waste management was creature detained in a quantity of waste management store and treat sites by HES. Time the waste management was saved securely, it was not creature machined and inclined of during the proper regulating timescales. At no spot has down there been an effect on social public health or any latency to the capacity of the NHS to conduct out operative, he told. The environmental agent told HES was in violation of its ecological permits at 4 persons of its 6 sites that transactions in clinic waste management, by possessing more than waste management on website rather than their allows and store waste management improperly. The EA has started up a penal inquiry. HES told it had allocated a reducing in the UK's top temperature combustion power for the recent few year to the UK by the government, NHS bodies and the environmental agent. Mr. Barclay insisted down there was considerable further combustion power. The waste management removal company is to hold its NHS contracts in Scotland in spite creature undressed of them in England and Wales. The Scotch by the government told the judgment did not use their and current contracts were untouched.